Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin with freshly washed hair that is about 70% damp. This moisture level helps mousse form the curl pattern without weighing hair down. Gently detangle from ends to roots using a wide tooth comb to avoid breakage and reduce frizz. If you will use a diffuser or any heat, apply a pea-size amount of heat protectant evenly through mid-lengths and ends. This protects hair and preserves curl integrity while styling. Work methodically, so each section is prepared before product application. Dispense a golf ball to walnut-size amount of mousse into your palm, adjusting to hair length and thickness. Thick hair may need more, fine hair less. Flip your head over or work upright, and cup each 1-inch to 2-inch section, applying mousse mid-length to ends, then scrunch upward toward the scalp to encourage curl formation and reduce frizz. Avoid applying mousse at the very roots to prevent oiliness. Instead, focus product where curls form. Continue section by section until all hair is evenly treated. To dry, use a diffuser on low heat and low airflow, cupping curls and holding each cluster for a few seconds until approximately 90% dry to preserve shape and minimize frizz. If air drying, avoid touching hair until nearly dry, then scrunch to release definition. After drying, use fingers to gently separate and shape curls, then lock the style with a light hold spray sprayed from about 10 inches away at a 10% mist for natural movement. For lift roots, and apply a 3 to 5 second cool shot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.